This is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker GNS or Genius Group. So this thing on Friday made a good rip, and then into after hours trading it continued to rip. I think it made it up around 175 or so before it pulled back to about 162 at the end of extended hours trading. And then when pre-market opened today, it started to rip again. So it actually touched above the $2 mark. And I'm looking at this stock as a good short opportunity because I've had a lot of success in the past on these penny stocks. And when they pump, taking short positions, selling calls, sometimes out of the money, sometimes in the money. And this is actually good that we're up around the $2 level now, because I think I was talking in one of my previous videos how I would like to see this thing near the $2 mark because that 2 call would be a lot more valuable. So yeah, I hope it kind of hangs around here heading into open, because what I would like to do is go out and sell the 2 call, probably go out and sell the 250 call, also probably sell in the money calls further out, because there's a lot of people talking on stock twits and in the comments about the dividend and the shorts having to buy back shares, and I get all that, but that's more of the short term options on the chain, like some of the options that expired this week. If you actually go a little further out in expiration, you can actually sell in the money calls, like that 1 call, and you're not going to be at any risk of having to be assigned. So I think a lot of people on stock twits and commenting on my videos just don't understand options trading very well or at all. So they don't understand that people can actually be short calls in the money on this stock and not have any danger of being assigned, and they don't have to go out and deal with any of that madness related to the dividend, because the ex-div date is this week. So if you look a little further beyond this week and you start looking at options, you can actually sell in the money options, and you're not going to have to buy any shares. You're not going to have to buy into all the BS they're talking about, like, oh, the shorts are going to get exposed, whether they have short options or short shares, blah blah blah. You better watch out if you have short options. And it's like they just don't understand how options trading works. So this is why I like this as a good short candidate. I mean, if we go to the daily time frame here, look at the move that they have made. So they were down under $1, around 60 cents or something, 50 cents, and then they made this massive explosion. So this is how I make my money, is these penny stocks that go on these crazy runs, like 100%, 200%, 300%, because these prices we're seeing here on the chart lately, they're not going to last. It's just a pump and dump. If you look at their financials, they're trash, and these prices will not last in the long run. So we'll see how high they can get. I hope they don't have a fat dump right before open here, but it is a penny stock. Sometimes these things just fall off a cliff out of nowhere, so hopefully that doesn't happen here in pre-market. Hopefully it can be right around this $2 level when the market opens, because then I'm going to be looking at the options chain and taking multiple short positions on the stock, and then just hanging out until this thing dumps, which it's gonna dump eventually here when all this madness kind of settles down, and then I'll be sitting on max profit on all those options. So I'll continue to keep you updated here on ticker GNS or Genius Group. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.